Language has the power to affect the way we perceive things, which can result in a complete shift in our attitudes towards a particular subject. Words have the ability to persuade and motivate individuals, which is why they are frequently used by politicians, public relations professionals, and even parents to convey their messages. These specific words, known as power words, can work wonders when used in advertising, as they have the potential to entice and intrigue potential customers. Welcome to Super Brand Design. I'm Miriam, and in this video, I'll reveal how power words can entice, persuade, and motivate your audience to take action. Subscribe to our channel for business-enhancing insights and secrets. Now, let's get started. In order to create a sense of curiosity and excitement among consumers, companies frequently utilize words such as new or improved when promoting their products. The implication of exclusivity or being on the cutting edge of a new and improved product can create a desire for customers to be among the first to try it out. This approach has been used for years in the laundry industry, where new and improved versions of products are constantly being advertised. This approach serves to reinforce the power of the product, creating a sense of excitement and anticipation among consumers. Another effective way to generate trust and confidence in a product is by offering a money-back guarantee. This phrase has the ability to instill a sense of security in potential customers, as they know that they can purchase the product without risk. This phrase is commonly used in the closing line of an advertisement and is followed by a clear explanation of the company's methods of payment and how money will be returned if the customer is not satisfied. Unleash the full potential of your brand with our all-in-one business growth services. From logo and website design to digital marketing, we got all the tools to help you achieve your goals and attract new clients or customers. Contact us today for a free consultation. Advertisements that are successful often incorporate a sense of mystery or exclusivity in their messaging. People are naturally curious, and they want to feel that they have access to information that others may not be privy to. By using phrases like, "insiders say that," or "secret," the advertisement can give the impression that the customer has access to information that others may not be aware of. This creates a desire in the customer to invest in the product or service being promoted. The use of the word "free" in advertising can be incredibly effective as it immediately captures the attention of potential customers. However, it is important to ensure that any offer of a free product or service is genuine, as misleading customers in this way can result in a loss of trust. Many websites will spell the word "free" as FRE in order to bypass ISP filters, which often block messages containing the word, viewing them as spam. Make sure to stay in the loop by subscribing to our channel and turning on notification by hitting the subscribe button and bell icon below. Let's continue on now. One of the most important words in advertising is a you. Addressing the customer directly and emphasizing the benefits of the product or service for the individual can create a strong connection between the customer and the company. By stepping into the shoes of the customer, companies can identify the benefits of their product or service that will resonate most strongly with potential customers. By addressing the customer directly with the word "you," the advertisement can create a sense of personal connection and engagement. The word "immediately" can also be a powerful motivator in advertising. This word creates a sense of urgency and encourages customers to take quick action. It implies that there is no time to wait and that the customer must act now in order to take advantage of the opportunity being presented. Finally, the most successful advertisements are those that are tailored to meet the specific needs of the consumer. Simply stating the benefits of a product or service is not enough. The advertisement must be crafted in a way that demonstrates how the product or service meets the individual needs of the customer. Companies can draw inspiration from successful advertisements and look for ways to incorporate power words and other effective messaging techniques in their own campaigns. By taking the time to understand the needs and desires of the consumer, companies can create advertisements that truly resonate with their target audience. Are you ready to take your first step towards success? Don't let this chance slip away. Your free consultation awaits and your business will thank you. So, are you in or are you in? Get in touch now. See you in the next video. Take care.